Alright guys, so today I'm going to do a really quick little video, first impressions on the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This sold out several times on Ulta, partially because TikTok went crazy over it, but I really wanted to try it and kind of show you guys what it looks like on my little itty bitty baby lashes. It claims that it gives a limitless length, full volume, and I got mine in the shade Blackest Black, and this is what the tube looks like. Very cute packaging. I like the color, and it has a silicone wand here, and it is really, I'm just gonna kind of tuck it in a little so you can see, extremely flexible. So I don't know if it's getting that. So that's what it looks like, and yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna do just one coat to start. I should have started out my bottom ones. That's how I normally do. I will say right off the bat, like, it doesn't, the bristles don't prickle my eyelids or like my little waterlines, which is quite nice. This one lash is doing like a really weird thing, but this is what it looks like with one coat on it. I see a lot of length, but I'm not seeing a lot of volume. It's really easy to apply, and I do like the wand. And I don't feel like the little nubbies on the bristles are poking me at all, which is nice. I'm gonna put on 2 coats and we'll see. Okay, I do really like this. I like how soft the wand and the bristles are, because I could get really close to like my waterline, my tight line on the top, without it feeling like I have anything on there. And you can see this eye compared to this eye. I think it's really nice, and this is the first use. Usually it takes a while to really see the formula, so it might change a little bit, but just on first impression, I think it looks really quite nice. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more videos with me. Thank you. Bye.